Imagine hearing your loved one's voice, pleading for help, only to discover it was never them. Or perhaps your boss's urgent demand for an immediate money transfer, sounding perfectly legitimate, but leading straight into a trap. These chilling scenarios aren't science fiction anymore. They're a rapidly evolving reality, powered by something called voice cloning. This technology, once confined to labs, is now accessible to almost anyone, and it's opening up a Pandora's box of dangers that could affect you, your family, and even the world stage. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how this incredible innovation is being twisted into a terrifying tool for deception and what that means for our future. At its core, voice cloning is the process of using artificial intelligence to create a synthetic voice that sounds exactly like a specific person. Think of it like a digital impressionist. Instead of paint and canvas, it uses algorithms and audio samples. Give an AI a few seconds, sometimes even just 3 to 5 seconds, of someone talking, and it can learn their unique pitch, tone, accent, and even their speech patterns. With this data, the AI can then generate brand new sentences in that person's voice, saying things they've never actually uttered. It's a marvel of modern technology, allowing people who've lost their ability to speak to communicate again, or giving filmmakers tools for seamless voiceovers. It can even be used in entertainment for creating new audio experiences. But like many powerful tools, its potential for harm grows with its accessibility. The immediate and most pressing danger of voice cloning lies in its terrifying effectiveness as a weapon for scams and fraud. We've seen a surge in what are now called deepfake audio scams. Picture this. A grandparent receives a call. The voice on the other end is their grandchild's, frantic, claiming to be in trouble, needing money wired immediately. The urgency, the familiar voice, the emotional distress, it all plays into a perfect storm of manipulation. According to the FBI, in 2022 alone, victims lost over $2.6 billion to various imposter scams, and deepfake audio is increasingly becoming a key component of these sophisticated schemes. It's not just individuals who are targets. Businesses are also highly vulnerable. We've heard stories of fraudsters cloning the voice of a CEO or a high-ranking executive, then calling a finance department employee. The cloned voice issues an urgent directive for a large sum of money to be transferred to an unknown account, often citing a sensitive, time-critical deal. The employee, hearing their boss's familiar voice and feeling the pressure, complies. By the time the deception is uncovered, the money is gone. This isn't just about financial loss. It's about a breach of trust so profound it can unravel the very fabric of an organization. In one particularly alarming case in 2019, an energy firm's CEO in the UK was reportedly tricked into transferring €220,000 after being duped by AI-generated audio of his boss. The scary part? The fraudster even mimicked the Austrian accent of the CEO. Beyond financial fraud, the dark side of voice cloning stretches into areas that threaten our very sense of reality and trust. Think about identity theft. If a criminal can convincingly mimic your voice, they could potentially bypass voice recognition systems used by banks, customer service lines, or even secure access points. Imagine your bank account being drained because a cloned version of your voice successfully authorized a transfer, or your private medical information being accessed because someone convinced a call center representative they were you. The implications are vast and deeply unsettling. Then there's the insidious nature of disinformation. In today's hyper-connected world, differentiating fact from fiction is already a monumental challenge. Add voice cloning into the mix, and it becomes even more complex. A politician's voice could be cloned to spread false statements, incite hatred, or even declare war, all without them ever saying a word. This could destabilize governments, influence elections, and create widespread panic. Imagine a fabricated audio recording of a prominent figure admitting to a crime or making a controversial statement right before a major election. The damage could be irreparable, the truth forever obscured by doubt. The speed at which such deepfakes can spread online means that by the time the authenticity is questioned, the damage is already done, leaving a lasting scar of mistrust and confusion. The psychological toll this technology can take is immense. When you can no longer trust your ears, when the very sound of a loved one's voice could be a lie, it erodes the fundamental trust we place in our senses and in each other. It breeds paranoia and uncertainty, making us question everything we hear. How do we distinguish between reality and a manufactured deception when the lines are so expertly blurred? The emotional distress for victims of these scams who believed they were helping a loved one is profound. The sense of betrayal, the financial loss, and the lingering doubt can have long-lasting effects. The problem isn't just about the technology itself, it's about the speed of its evolution and the lack of widespread public awareness or effective regulation. While researchers are working on ways to detect deepfake audio, these detection methods often lag behind the creation techniques. It's an arms race, and for now, the creators of deepfakes often have the upper hand. So, what can we do? Awareness is our first line of defense. Understanding that these sophisticated scams exist, that a voice isn't always proof of identity, is crucial. If you receive an urgent request for money, especially from someone claiming to be a loved one or a superior, pause. Verify through a different channel, a text, a callback to a known number, or a prearranged safe word. Never feel pressured into immediate action without independent confirmation. Companies need to implement stronger verification protocols beyond just voice recognition, training employees to be vigilant against these new forms of social engineering. Developers of AI must also bear some responsibility, exploring ways to embed watermarks or authentication methods into synthetic voices. The danger of voice cloning is not a distant threat from a sci-fi movie. It is here, it is now, and it is evolving. We are entering an era where seeing isn't always believing, and hearing is definitely not always truth. Protecting ourselves, our families, and our societies means staying informed, staying skeptical, and adapting to a world where the echoes of deception can sound shockingly real. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.